challenge. You can do your video anywhere, but if you make it inside of a Marlowe's Tavern, they'll send you a complimentary appetizer for doing so. But the winner of the challenge could win Marlowe's for an entire year. So try out your best bar joke with Marlowe's Tavern.
I'm David Blanton of Realtree Outdoors. I have my gear for the weekend and a 12-pack of ice-cold Mellow Yellow. This is my one.
This season, Mellow Yellow and Realtree are teaming up to bring you the ultimate refreshment for the great outdoors. The delicious blend of lemon, lime, and orange flavors keep you going until your next adventure.
Refresh your day with the delicious citrus taste of an ice-cold Mellow Yellow. Grab your Mellow Yellow Realtree product for a limited time at your local retailer today. Mellow Yellow. Work hard, swig easy.
94.9 The Bull.
Dealing with the consequences of having lent their credit card to a friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, roommate, whatever. And when they ask me about it, they're saying, do they have to pay the bill? Because they didn't do the charges. Yes, you do. Now, the poll shows from creditcards.com that half of people have lent their credit card to somebody, and of the people who've done so, a third got burned by it. That's right, a third got burned by the person they trusted handing their credit card to them. So you are 100% responsible if you lend your card to somebody. Somebody steals your card, let's say a family member does, you have a higher burden of proof to say you didn't give it to them. But if you act quickly, you're not responsible, or you shouldn't be. But really think this through before you let somebody borrow your credit, because whatever they do, you've created an unlimited source, at least till your credit limit, of what kind of damage they can do. And if you can't pay that off, you can't make those payments, your credit gets trashed.
Here's more Clark Howard every night at 10 and every 30 minutes during Atlanta's Morning News. WSB.
549, Doug Dirtbull in the Skycopter. I just spotted a new stall and findings on the outer loop 25 southbound Paces Ferry, exit 18, Heroes with it. I hope they get it out of the way soon. You're only slow back just before I-75, 85 north travel advisory. I just stepped on the Triple D traffic alert tab because there's a crash in the 2 left lane at Northford Hills, exit 89. That jams you back into Midtown. Above that, it's around 20 minutes to go 285 to 316. More delays on Beach Street past Highway 20, 316 eastbound traffic. Trooper Taylor saying right at about a half hour from I-85 out to Harmon Road. It looks like the delays are improving around that earlier wreck above Commerce, 85 north and Highway 63, exit 154. Jill Nelson, Coolray, cover your traffic center.
Usual delays, 400 northbound from the old toll plaza up to the MARTA station, 400 southbound slowing you from Mansell down to Holcomb Bridge, and from Abernathy down past the old toll plaza. Mike Shields, Northwest.
Lighter than usual, 75 northbound leaving Midtown into Marietta. Speed limit rides. Watch out, Barrett Parkway, 75 northbound. Crash move to the left and right shoulder. No delays. Just use caution through the area. 575.